Chiliz cost really equivalent to $0.1311 a coin in an essentially significant manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.1272 to 0.1318, or so they especially thought. The earlier day close, 0.1281. The change by and large was plus 0.0030, plus 2.34% in a very significant way. Opposite rate, USD to CHC, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they by and large thought. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, April 14, cost $0.12, certainly most extreme 0.13, least 0.11, or so they thought. Chiliz conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost $0.12, beautiful greatest 0.13, least 0.11, which generally is very huge. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.12, for the most part greatest 0.13, really least 0.11, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.12, essentially greatest 0.13, certainly least 0.11, or so they certainly thought. In multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.12, for the most part greatest 0.13, by and large least 0.11, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Chiliz figure on Friday, April 21, cost $0.12, sort of most extreme 0.13, especially least 0.11 in a by and large significant manner. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost $0.12, greatest 0.13, genuinely least 0.11 amazingly. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.13, extremely greatest 0.14, in every way that really matters, least 0.12 in an essentially large way. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.14, really greatest 0.15, by and large least 0.13, so Chiliz estimate on Friday, April 21, cost $0.12, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.13, certainly least 0.11 in an especially significant way. In about 14 days Chiliz estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.14, truly greatest 0.15, sort of least 0.13, which for the most part is very critical. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $0.14, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.15, kind of least 0.13, or so they in a real sense thought. Chiliz gauge on Monday, May 1, cost $0.14, kind of greatest 0.15, genuinely least 0.13 in a kind of large manner. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.14, greatest 0.15, by and large least 0.13, or so they generally thought. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.14, extremely greatest 0.15, truly least 0.13 in an unobtrusive way. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.14, exceptionally greatest 0.15, extremely least 0.13, especially further appearance how Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.12, kind of most extreme 0.13, extremely least 0.11 in a significant way. Chiliz gauge on Friday, May 5, cost $0.14, fundamentally greatest 0.15, by and large least 0.13, which especially is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $0.13, truly most extreme 0.14, lovely least 0.12 in an exceptionally significant way. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.13, truly greatest 0.14, fundamentally least 0.12, showing how Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.14, kind of most extreme 0.15, kind of least 0.13, so Chiliz gauge on Friday, April 21, cost $0.12, kind of most extreme 0.13, especially least 0.11, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.13, really most extreme 0.14, exceptionally least 0.12, or so they basically thought. In about a month Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.13, extremely greatest 0.14, in every practical sense, least 0.12 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost $0.13, beautiful greatest 0.14, fundamentally least 0.12, which explicitly is very critical. Chiliz gauge on Monday, May 15, cost $0.13, certainly greatest 0.14, exceptionally least 0.12, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. USD to CHZ swapping scale pretty equivalent to 7.6260 coins per $1 in a sort of enormous manner. Today, S reach 7.5854 minus 7.8616 in an unpretentious way. The past day, S nearby 7.8064, which certainly is genuinely critical. Change for now 0.1804, 2.31%. USD to CHZ cost figure for in the not-so-distant future in month, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Friday, April 14, cost 8.333 coins, really greatest 9.091, fundamentally least 7.692, which generally is very critical. USD to CHZ expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 8.333 coins, greatest 9.091, kind of least 7.692. So USD to CHZ expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 8.333 coins, by and large most extreme 9.091. All things considered, least 7.692 in a genuinely enormous way. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost 8.333 coins, kind of greatest 9.091, exceptionally least 7.692, so USD to CHZ conversion scale extremely equivalent to 7.6260 coins per $1, or so they truly thought. USD to CHZ expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost 8.333 coins, most certainly greatest 9.091, essentially least 7.692, or so they explicitly thought. In multi-week dollar to Chiliz gauge on Thursday, April 20, cost 8.333 coins, certainly most extreme 9.091, lovely least 7.692, which basically is very huge. USD to CHZ forecast on Friday, April 21, cost 8.333 coins, really most extreme 9.091, exceptionally least 7.692, or so they certainly thought. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Monday, April 24, cost 8.333 coins, exceptionally most extreme 9.091 in every way that really matters, least 7.692, or so they truly thought. USD to CHZ expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 7.692 coins, genuinely most extreme 8.333, truly least 7.143, showing how Chiliz gauge on Friday, May 5, cost $0.14, truly greatest 0.15, truly least 0.13 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, April 26, cost 7.143 coins, truly greatest 7.692, sort of least 6.667, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days USD to CHZ expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost 7.143 coins. In every practical sense, most extreme 7.6